In the stillness of a sunlit kitchen, a humble yet extraordinary transformation begins. Here, in this microcosm of life, we witness the marvel of nature's ingenuity, the growth cycle of microgreens. It all starts with the seed, a tiny vessel brimming with potential. These seeds are meticulously sown into containers, each resting on a bed of clay pebbles. With a gentle touch, they are misted with life-giving water and covered lightly. For the first few days, the lights will be turned off, ensuring just the right amount of darkness to trigger the miracle within. Now, we wait. The seeds, imbued with a latent energy, respond to the subtle cues of their environment. As they absorb water, the outer shell softens, allowing the first signs of life to emerge. This is germination, the delicate stage where embryonic roots push their way through the lightweight clay pebbles, anchoring the plant and seeking sustenance in the water and nutrients below. In a matter of days, the first tender shoots rise above the surface. These cotyledons, the initial leaves, unfurl like tiny flags heralding the arrival of a new generation. Bathed in the gentle caress of light, the microgreens begin their rapid ascent, transforming light into energy through the wondrous process of photosynthesis. The air is filled with a sense of urgency, for microgreens grow at an astonishing rate. Within a week, they reach the height of 2 to 3 inches, each variety displaying its unique palette of colors and shapes. The vibrant green of pak choi, the delicate red streaks of amaranth, and the striking purple hues of radish leaves all contribute to this tapestry of life. As we observe, the microgreens are not merely growing, they are thriving. Their slender stems and tender leaves are rich with nutrients, offering a concentrated burst of flavor and health. This is nature's fast food, a culmination of life's essence captured in miniature form. When the time is right, usually within 10 to 14 days, the microgreens are harvested. With a swift and gentle cut at the base, they're separated from the roots, ready to nourish and delight. This moment marks the end of one cycle, but also the promise of another as the containers are prepared for a new batch of seeds. And thus, in this small, everyday ritual, we are reminded of the resilience and beauty of life. In the span of mere days, microgreens exemplify the wonder of growth. It's a testament to nature's perpetual dance of creation and renewal. Live to inspire, keep on growing, be the change. Catch you next time, my friends.